We got a customer with a 1998 Chevy Tahoe that lost the key. So, putting in a new ignition, cylinder, and the key. So what I did was, since I don't have a jiggler key or anything like that to get the ignition to turn forward where I can pop it out, I just got me some lock wire. You can get that anywhere, Harbor Freight. I got that in there, and with my screwdriver. And wherever my pick is at, I have a pick in there. And I just worked it over until I could turn it, and it finally turned forward for me. Now, once you get done with that, now you want to come over the top of it, and right in that little hole you'll be pushing down a pin in order to pull that ignition up out of there. So the first process with the lock wire, this pin right here on the side, is what I'm trying to push down so I can turn it and then be able to push that down and pop it out. So if you lost your key and you need to replace the lock cylinder, that's how you do it.